Sims FreePlay, free Simoleons, and LP, iOS, and Android, or how to get Sims FreePlay unlimited money. Hello everyone, in today's video I will be showing you this quick and easy tutorial on how you can go ahead and get this for your devices. Now, as of the moment, I am not certain if this method is going to work for iOS devices, but in my case I'm going to be using my Android device right here. Now, to proceed, you can just go ahead and open up any browser installed to your device. Once inside, you can go ahead and search for Sims FreePlay Mod APK. From here, you can then go ahead and choose on any one of these websites. In my case, I'll choose the getmodsapk.com. So you'll want to go ahead and click on it, and from here you can just go ahead and scroll down, find the download button, and from here just go ahead and wait for your file to be generated. In my case, I'll just go ahead and click on a Sims file, click on the download button, and from here I can then go ahead and download the APK file for the Sims APK. Now, I already have downloaded this file right here, so I can just go ahead and open up my downloads. And right after downloading the APK file, just click on the file and it will then take you to this page where you can then go ahead and select on what type of application you want to open for this APK file. To proceed, you want to click on the package installer. Click on install. And right after that, you will then go ahead and install the Sims FreePlay that has a lot of money or unlimited money on the game itself. And so if this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.